more to give. I think that you should try and find the time to show me the keys to unlock your mind. Don't show me who you are, so you can find out. You can find out from me. Oh, you'll see. So you can find out. You can find out from me. Oh, you'll see. Oh, these walls they make. Break them down, break them down. Oh, these walls they make. Break them down, break them down.
Up next, we have a track from the Mighty Johns with For a Reason. These guys have actually stopped even giving a shit about this song. They've stopped plugging it themselves, but obviously the fans are still listening to it because they want to and they choose to. We have a new entry from the Johns coming up very shortly. More details in the post about that one. But yeah, it's still there, it's still going, it's still biting at the arse end of the charts. This was number one, by the way, for about 6 weeks, possibly more. Me memory serves me correctly. This is For a Reason, the Johns tune.
If I could take you to a stage in my life where you wouldn't know where to go, then anyone else could tell you that they already know. Now I'm thinking how I'm gonna get so far, just scratching my own head, looking hopelessly at the ceiling as I'm lying in my bed. Again I keep on waiting for something good to just fall onto me, but I can't even bring myself to get off the settee. So I tell you why I'm like this every day, falling down the hole, but at least it's in my own way. 'Cause it's for a reason, at least I'm on my own. It's for a reason, I'd rather stay at home. Change the plans a little bit and now take myself on out to town, but I realise that I can't go 'cause I can't afford a round, and this job interview is a load of me ass 'cause the place is full of liars. So I ran my quickest, started there 'cause the people were all tired. Turn the telly on and there's more not beds running around acting the same. Oh, there's another silly nomad and he's desperate for fame. So I tell you why I'm like this every day, falling down the hole, but at least it's in my own way. It's for a reason, at least I'm on my own. It's for a reason, I'd rather stay at home. So if it's all like this, then I don't wanna change. I'd rather stay the same. I'll fade and
can't live here. It's too hot for me. My minge is kicking out a right pong. Peace.
Righty, just had Phil Henning on there, comments on this thing. I can't believe it. I'm shocked how I've got to number one. Very, very simple format. If people want to listen to your music, they will listen to it. It's as simple as that. I give you a link to share, mate, and if people want to click that link, they will click it. If they don't want to click it, they won't click it. Very simple format. There's no money involved. There's no scratching in his ass. It's very simple. If they like you and they like your music, they will click the link. If they don't, they won't. Black and white. Black and white indeed. Right, up next, Maisie Wiley with Don't Give Up. Dropped out the top 20 this week. I was gutted because I really like this song. It's one of them, you know, I sit here week in, week out and I play tunes and that, and I like it when, you know, when those songs that I actually like stay in the top 20. Sounds a bit fascist, that, you know, but yeah, there you go. I like what I like, and there you go. Not that I don't like anything that comes in new, obviously, but yeah, I really enjoyed this song, so I was sad to see it fall out of the top 20. However, it's not gone until the fat guy sings, mate. Give it a listen, guys. Give it a share. Get it back in our top 20 next week. Do that. Round Sound Radio Top 20.
Steve Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsigned and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Haggerty, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
Next up, we have a tune for you by Joe Symes and The Loving Kind. This is called Lovers Undercover. Again, another tune that they're not pushing in the slightest, really. You know, they're just happy to let it sit, let it float. But the fact that it still remains, you know, it's been within the top 26, I think now for 5 weeks without any pushing or any effort. Credit to itself, credit to itself. Joe Symes and The Loving Kind, Lovers Undercover.
Fly this plane and land it?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Righty, and our last act for this evening for potential entry into next week's top 20 is a chap called Kev Eustace with a tune called